friends, it's Miss Christine, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder. Now inside your supply bags or supply kits, Miss Christine has provided you with a bird feeder. So open that up and place all of your pieces on a table. Make sure to lay out a newspaper or a magazine to protect your table so that glue doesn't get on it. Let's go over what's inside of the bag. You have a string, glue, an eyelet, a post, 2 long rectangular fence pieces, 2 rectangular short pieces, 2 pieces for the roof, and a square base. So what we'll do now is set it up. So take your first piece, which is your square base, and place it on top of your newspaper. Now, there are 4 rectangular pieces. Remember, there are 2 long ones and 2 short ones. These are my long ones and these are my short ones. It's important to make sure that we put them in the right place. So we're gonna start with the long pieces first. So take your long piece and you're going to find the side that fits closest. So for me, it's going to be this side here. And for you, you're going to have to experiment to see what side the long piece fits on. You're going to add some glue to the bottom and then stick it to the side. Just like that. And then you're going to just press. And you probably want to hold it for about 20 seconds. It's not going to completely dry, but at least it'll stick a little better. Then you're going to take your other long rectangular piece and put it on the opposite side. Add some glue and then stick it to the side. And you're going to hold that. It might be a good idea to let these 2 pieces dry before adding anything else, but I'm going to try to show you how to make it as fast as I can in this video. Okay, now that my 2 long pieces are up, I'm going to take my short pieces and put one in the front and one in the back. And it's actually going to end up going in between the 2 rectangular pieces. You'll notice that the shorter one will fit inside the 2 long ones. And then I'm going to add some glue to my last short rectangular fence piece. And then glue it to that other side. So what you're making is a box. Now, all 4 pieces are glued. Let that dry. Might take about 20 minutes. While this is drying, you can take your fence post and add some glue to the bottom of it. Just like that. And then stick it in the middle so that that can dry too. Once your base and your post is completely dry, you're going to take your little eyelet, the metal piece, and you're going to twist it on the top of the post. Make sure that's in there really secure because that's where you're going to be threading your string to hang. Once that's in place, you're going to take your roof pieces and you're going to line it up on this triangular tip and add some glue to your roof. Now you probably want to do one side at a time. So add glue, stick it on, hold it for about 20 seconds, maybe longer, until it holds, and then let it dry completely. And then add your other piece. Or you can try to do them both at the same time. And remember, you have to have a lot of patience because it might fall a few times, but I promise at the end it will stick. So just hold it and let it dry for 20 minutes. As I'm letting the roof dry, I'm looking around to see if I need to add glue to any other places. I noticed that I had to put some glue running on the top so that it would add some extra adhesive. And I also added a little bit more glue to the inside part of the base around the post, just to make sure it stays extra strong. And now I'm gonna wait to let that completely dry. Now that your bird feeder has completely dried, the last step is adding the string. So gently loop the string through the eyelet and then have an adult tie a knot at the top. You can make it any length you'd like. Once that's all set, you can actually decorate it. Paint it, add some stickers, color on it, and then lastly, we're gonna add some bird seed. Got my bird seed, and now I'm gonna add it inside of the bird feeder. I'm using my hand, but it could get a little messy. You can try to use a spoon or a measuring cup to pour it inside. Just like that. Once you've filled your bird feeder and it's all been decorated, you can go and hang it outside. And the best part is, watch to see if any birds come and eat from your bird feeder.